guys, Kat and Darren here, your Sudbury real estate team where we sell Sudbury homes. Today we're at our newest listing, which features the in-law suite, minutes from Cambrian College and the new Sudbury Center.
Well, I have nothing to add. Let's go check this place out.
Let's go. All kidding aside, Darren, what do you really like about this property?
Well, I think I like that there's so much sunlight in this kitchen. You got stainless steel appliances, you've got granite countertops. It's just a beautiful home for that, first-time home buyer. You've got rental income coming in downstairs. Sorry, an in-law suite. But, and we got a fenced-in backyard, Cambrian College, new Sudbury Mall. What else do you want?
I don't know. If this sounds like the property for you, click the link below or visit our website, WeSellSudburyHomes.com.
Let's go.